Hello, welcome. Thank you for joining us. I'm Joe. This is Anthony.
Hello.
And today we're going to go through a brief overview of our Jetfire 50. We're coming to you from our print media center in Kennesaw, Georgia. We'll go through the machine, input, throughput, and output, and give you some features and benefits along the way. So let's get started with the paper input. Our standard configuration comes with 2 paper input modules. We can add a third module as an option. Each of the drawers in the paper input modules are humidity and temperature control. Maximum sheet size is 14 by 20. Drawers 1 and 2 will hold roughly 600 sheets of 80 GSM. Drawers 3 and 4 will hold roughly 1,600 sheets, 80 GSM. From the paper input modules, we go into the Sentry unit. Below here in the Sentry unit is the perfecting or duplexing area. Up above in this tower is a camera system that senses or measures each sheet as it comes through. It's looking for dog ears, not being square, or waves in the sheet. Anything that could damage the print heads, it will purge. Up in this purge tray, we'll see as we do longer runs, a few sheets come out every now and then because they're not perfect enough to go through. The cool thing is that it's doing this so that it doesn't hit the print heads and cause a fatality of the press or stop the print run. So if it purges sheets, it's going to continue my print run, so I'm remaining productive. Moving on from the Sentry unit, we're going to go to the actual inking station. So when we opened the video, we showed it printing. Currently, the press is in sleep mode. It put the carriage back. It's waiting for us to send a job to it. And when we do send a job to it, the carriage will come forward, the lights will turn on, and we'll start to print. Here I want to point out that this is a CMYK press. The CMYK inks are at 1200 by 1200 DPI. On this press we also have a primer, what we call color grip, and that's printing at 600 by 600 DPI. The color grip is only going to where the image will be. It's not flooding the sheet, it's just putting drops down where there will be CMYK ink. Every sheet is measured as it comes through, as I mentioned, in the Sentry unit, and it's held down with air suction onto the blanket. Registration is tight because the Sentry unit is making sure that it's coming into the inking area square. If not, if it's a damaged sheet, like I mentioned, the Sentry unit will purge it. For ink quality control, we have a scan bar there. You probably can't see it with the reflection in the glass, but each sheet is being scanned, looking for whiteouts, blackouts, ink heads that aren't firing correctly, and the press is intelligent enough to overcompensate, to fill in those voids so that each sheet is a quality print. If it senses that it can't do that, it'll print 6 sheets and then start the print job again. Still keeping in line, still printing at rated speed. It'll just purge those bad sheets and continue the print job. After the sheet is printed, it goes into the drying area. Here we have a 1-meter drum with 5 different heating elements. The heating elements are extracting the water out of the inks. So when it gets to the fusing area, which is below here, it's being fixated into the paper as ink only, not with the water. From the fusing or fixation area, it goes into a cooling or humidity area, putting moisture back into the sheet so that the sheet can get back to its regular size so that the Sentry won't output it when it comes through again. So inking, drying, fixation, humidity back into the sheet, and then it comes back through to the Sentry area to be measured again and put back through the press for its second side print. Once it's printed, both sides, it'll come back through to our output area. Our standard configuration has our stacker on it. So the stacker has an output tray on top where I can do proofs or actually output short runs to. And the stacker has the capability of letting me empty it as it fills. So when the job is done, it'll eject it for me and continue printing. Something that we don't have here in our demo room is some of the post-press equipment that we can put in line. I can put a perfect binder in line, a saddle stitcher in line, or a cut and stack type of solution that gives me punch and perforation capabilities. So depending on your applications, we have some type of post-press solution that we can put in line or near line with the press. So Anthony sent the job over, the date is here, to get out of the reflection. As we see the carriage come to the print blanket, it's setting itself now. Paper should start feeding. the press is ready to start printing. So you can hear the press sending sheets. It sends a few test pages to clean out the heads, and then the job will start, and you'll see a gap between the sheets. The gap is setting up where the duplex page will be. So it's printing simplex. Those sheets are going through the duplexing area now. You'll hear the sound change right there. Now it's printing in duplex mode. If you'd like more information, a virtual demo, samples, or even your samples put through our ink cost calculator tool, please click the link below. Thank you.